Hey friends, if you wish to fix EMP.DLL not found, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, open any browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Now click on this option here and then scroll down and then go to the x64 version and then click on open and let it run. Okay, you can repair or install it depending upon the situation on your system. But if this does not help, then straight away search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.